Rainy Scent of the Day. Ito si Bianco Latte ni HSI Motivational Perfume. Itong re-review natin for tonight's video. So si HSI Bianco Latte, nabili natin siya sa ating marketplace and the price is less than 300 pesos for this 50 ml bottle, and the concentration I think is 30% or the perfume. Yeah, I think so. Can't read the details here, but anyways, yeah, the perfume nga siya. And the bottle presentation is very simple lang naman siya. What I like about this is it's easy to grip. Madali mo siya mawakan, and pagka in-spray mo siya, syempre, ganyan. Madali mo siyang mai-spray. Okay. So, let's go ahead and do a few sprays. Medyo mahina yung buga ng ating HSI Motivational Perfume. By the way, black yung cap niya and black din yung atomizer. And opening nito is very sweet. Okay. Caramel, vanilla, and honey. Yun yung naamoy ko all throughout. Or right now, sa opening nito. Grabe. Ang tamis. Para ka nasa coffee shop na kind of scent na ang sarap amoy-amoy po ulit-ulit na grabe. Ang tamis talaga ng amoy na to. On myself, I like smelling this. In terms of the performance of this one, dito ako na-amaze sa HSI Bianco Latte version nila. Kasi I wore this at around 2:30 in the afternoon. And up until now, alauna na ng madaling araw, naamoy ka pa rin siya dito sa aking braso. Okay, so that's how long this perfume stays on your skin. And as well as yung projection nito, at up until 6 hours, actually naglalakad ako kanina sa office, naamoy ko pa rin yung sarili ko every time na naglalakad ako. And the projection is around 2 to 3 feet. Okay, and yun nga, sabi sa inyo, 6 hours, medyo nagiging set na siya. Up until 10 hours, yun, naamoy ko pa rin yung ating Bianco Latte. Alright, silage, ganun din, naamoy mo pa rin naman. Naumoy ka ng mga tao na sa paligid mo pa naglalakad ka, nag-iimang ka talaga ng scent trail. Okay, and yung nga sabi ko sa inyo kanina, scent bubble, pagka na-spray mo siya sa damit mo, naglakad ka or nag-wave ka ng hands, yan, naamoy mo yung perfume. Grabe, ibang klase itong performance na ito ni HSI ngayon. Alright, compared to us, the other perfumes nila na binili natin before, I think nagda-last yun ng mga 4 to 6 hours sa skin, or nagpa-project siya at up until 4 hours, and then nagiging skin scent na siya up until 6 to 8 hours. This one, sabi sa inyo, 6 hours projection, and then 8 hours to 10 hours nasa skin mo pa rin yung amoy na ito ni Bianco Latte HSI. Okay, so yun lang. Terms of the price to performance, I'd rate this as probably 9 out of 10. Okay? Kung tumagal-tagal pa siguro siya, amoy na ito, grabe, siguro I can rate this at 9.9 already. And in terms of the scent profile, gustong-gusto ko rin to. This is something that I would wear sa mga lugar na malamig, aircon, yan, sa gabi, special nights with your special someone. You know, this is something that pwede mong gamitin for your date nights. Okay, so yun lang. Okay, so that's it for my review for Bianco Latte of HSI. Highly recommended. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply to your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!